Hello, this is G. Om Kedareshwar Kiran from Electrical Department. Today, I am presenting about nature of business economics. What is economics and how does it helpful to us? The nature of business. First of all, what is business economics? Business economics is the application of economy theories and principles to business management discussions. It focuses optimizing resource allocation and strategic planning to achieve company goals. The discipline bridges microeconomics and macroeconomics are quantitatively methods to provide the comprehensive insight. There are two types of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. The objective of the business economics is to enhance the managerial decision making and driving probabilities of sustainability growth by evaluating market forces and internal company factors. Internally, the business is nothing but it is an economy wise optimal principle where the people manage planning their company goals and bridges, where comprehensive objectives and enhancing the managerial profit sustainability with the growth of market and country on the internal company factors is dependent. So this is about the business. Coming to microeconomy principle in business. The micro itself tells us the demand and supply cost analysis and structure. Fixed quantity microeconomics principles in business. Demand and supply key to understanding market equilibrium and price elasticity, shaping how business react to changes in consumer preferences and market conditions. Cost analysis, fixed variable managerial and opportunity cost playing roles in determining business efficiency, helps in budgeting and profit maximization strategies. Market structures, different competitions types influence pricing and output perfect competition. Monopoly, oligopoly, oligopoly and monopolicity competition and pricing strategies. Cost plus pricing ensures covering cost and at certain margin. Value based pricing and customer benefits. Value based pricing customer benefits means if the customer benefit is rebounded to value based pricing, and competitive pricing adjust rates based on market revi- revivals. Macroeconomics factors affecting business. The macroeconomics factors that affecting business growth or something business cycles or enhance the policies. Economic growth indicates the GDP. Inflation and unemployment directly influences business opportunities and risks. Fiscal policies, the government spending and tax impact consumers demand and business profitability. The government is spending on the tax where the companies and industries pay tax to the government for the amount for the product they have sold, and mandatory to pay the tax. Monetary policy is about central bank actions and interest rates and money supply, efficient borrowing cost and investment decision. Business cycles mean understanding phase like expansion peak and tough helps business the through it helps through the business plan and strategies of markets. Now coming to quantitative techniques in business economics. Statistical analysis, regressions, correlations and time series tools detect pattern and relationship within business data. Optimization techniques, linear programming and game theory helps the resource allocation and competitive strategy formula. These forecasting models predict demand, sales and economy trends to reduce what we call uncertainty and guide planning. At the least most thing is risk analysis. Decision trees and sensitive analysis evaluate the uncertainty better than the risk management. So the risk management is a sensitive issue where it can be analyzed and evaluated in certain decision taking theories. Now coming to role of business economy and discussion making. In the business economy, the discussion making is main. It is investing the correlated optimal output and resource. The business decision making is about investment decision, use cost benefit analysis and capital budgeting, and prioritize projects with best returns on investment. Production discussions, determining optimal output and resource used to balance cost and satisfy demand efficiency. Market entry and exit, evaluate market conditions and competition before launching or withdrawing products on services. Pricing policies, set strategy prices and maximize revenue and profit while align with market positioning. Now coming to the goal of maximizing properties: revenue maximization, cost minimization, resource efficiency, price optimization. In the revenue maximization, ensuring total revenue exceeds total cost to sustain profitability. And cost minimization, efficient production techniques lower the expenses of goods and services. Resource efficiency, allocate resource to their most productive useful for optimal operational result. Price optimization, maximizing the revenue through the pricing where the marginal revenue equals to the marginal cost. So these are interlinked with each other. Now let us talk about the growing importance of the business economy. Increasing complexity, data availability, technology advancement, and sustainability corners. First of all, increasing complexity, global market and regulations are creating more challenges for business to negative. Data availability is an enhanced mode of access with data empowers smarter data driven decision making. It is also an access mode for empowers where the regulations are created in the challenges of business native negative things. And technology advancement, AI and automation are transformation business process and completion of dynamics. So the AI automation is nowadays the artificial intelligence is also used in the business process where completion of it dynamics through enhanced ways and more. Eventually it is an advantage for business making. And sustainability corners, incorporating environmental and social factors is becoming a key part of the business strategy. So these are the growing importance of business economics: increased complexity, data availability, technology advancement, and sustainability. Now coming to future trends in business economy: behavioral economics, big data analytics, globalization, ethical considerations. These are the general trends in business economics for the future enhancement. Integrating integrating psychological insight into business decisions for better customer understanding. And big data analytics, uh, vast data sets to uncover patterns and support strategic choices. Globalization, managing international risk and capturing opportunities in an interconnected world mean every opportunity capturing or every business enhancement is interconnected with the people who is involved in the business. And ethical considerations, promoting corporate social responsibility to ensure sustainability and ethical business practices. So these are the future trends in the business economics. uh, Behavioral economics, big data analysis, and everything which is very useful for the future trend and the business economy means where every part we can assist in a such a way that it is not harmful, which is soft going, is generally considered as economy. So these are the future trends in the business economics. Thank you.